What's up, beautiful subscribers? Last week of March, and I'm about to do an application of fungicide on my fruit trees. For all you organic fruit tree growers, just skip to the next video because this one is about non-organic chemicals. Most of you with a couple fruit trees are gonna go to Home Depot and you're gonna buy a product like this, Bonide or Captain Jack's, and they're gonna have two different chemicals in here. This one has three: Captan, malathion, and carbaryl. So you have two different fungicides and one insecticide, but you don't want to spray them ideally at the same time. So the fruit trees are about to flower, which means we want to spray our fungicides. But we don't want to spray the trees with an insecticide this early because you can damage the pollinators. It's also just a waste of chemical, especially if you already sprayed dormant oil. So these products are great, I guess, if you have one or two trees and don't want to worry about it. But there's zero reason to be spraying carbaryl right now, which is the insecticide. So what I like to do is buy them individually. This is just the fungicide Captan. So today, leading up to flowering, you want to spray fungicides. You saw me already do the copper. Today we're spraying Captan, and it cuts back on tons of different diseases, apple scab being one of them. Then, after you're done and the flowers petals have dropped, they call it flower drop, then there's no risk of harming any pollinators. Then you're gonna wanna come in with a straight insecticide. So this is Sevens, the brand name. They used to actually spray carbaryl in 7. Now it's zeta permethrin. So zeta cypermethrin. So if you're wondering what the active ingredient is, always look down here. This will tell you what the chemical is. It's not, you're not spraying 7. That's just a brand name. So like I said, I like to break them out separately, spray the fungicide leading up to petal drop, and then after petal drop, then we'll hit the insecticides. These products have 2-in-1. This one has all three. 2 different fungicides and an insecticide, carbaryl. Now, they stopped using carbaryl in 7. They probably won't even be able to use carbaryl anymore in Bonide products because they're saying it has too long of a residual on the plant. That means less work, less time you have to spray. Carbaryl can last for 20 days on your plum trees. And that means you don't have to worry about the plum curculio every 5 or 7 days. Zeta cypermethrin only lasts for a few days on the tree, so it's not as strong. This is what they switched to. So, long story short, fungicides leading up to petal drop, right after petal drop, insecticide, 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 and all your sprays are usually done in the springtime. Hammer them all out, and then the rest of the year you get to coast. Hit that like button.